सर अभी आने दीजिए, फिर स्टार्ट करिएगा रिकॉर्डिंग से।
ठीक है, हम
उससे
स्क्रीन
फिर
शेयर कर देते
वो
हैं। तो इन द प्रीवियस सेशन स्क्रीन दिख रही क्या? नहीं दिख रही होगी अभी। स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग करें पहले। तो दिस इज द equation matrix for dq you have calculated in previous section। ऐसा ही किया था ना पिछली बार?
यस सर।
अब इसके आगे कैलकुलेट करना है क्या चीज पता है? how you calculate this c1? c1 is calculated in the book, is it has directly given this equation, but how it is coming? So there is a equation in the book. What is the equation number? Just a minute. Equation number is 646। ओके, ये इक्वेशन है। एंड इन दिस इक्वेशन व्हाट यू विल डू according to this equation, if you want to calculate c1 then I equal to 1। ओके, तो अब मैं यहाँ बताता हूँ आपको कैसे कैलकुलेट किया है। शेयर वीडियो एंड शेयर हो रहा ना। तो you had first calculated dq equal to, what was the equation for dq? dq you have find out m1 a1 square by 3 plus m2 a1 square plus a1 a2 c2 plus a2 square by 3। ये कैलकुलेट किए थे कि नहीं तुम लोग? इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई हैड आस्क्ड यू टू कैलकुलेट दिस पार्ट। Students, had you tried for calculating this or not?
नो सर।
क्यों यार भाई, all of you don't try? Simply if you think that I will calculate it later you will have some confusion and you will not be get better practice. So you try to do that, okay?
Yes sir.
So here you have got this equation, okay? This is equation for dq, clear? Now how you calculate the c1? c1 that is for link 1, you have the equation Lagrange. What is the Lagrange equation? dq q dot double dot plus c q q dot plus hq, okay, hq plus b something, okay? So this is the Lagrange equation, complete dynamics equation for the robot. So you calculate the dq, you calculate the c, okay? Then you calculate the c1 and c2 for both the links. So here you will calculate c1. So what is the equation for c1? That is I equal to 1, So the generalized equation for Ci is Ci kj equal to kj cube. So the generalized equation is qk dij cube minus 1/2 del upon del q I dkj cube. This is the generalized equation for determining for any link I equal to 1 I equal to 1, then you will get C1, and I equal to 2, you will get up to C2. So for C1 you will keep here I equal to 1. Here you can keep del upon del q k. Yes, sir. Del upon del q k. I here you will keep 1 j. Okay, and here you have 1/2 del upon del q 1 I equal to 1 here. Okay, दिख रहा ना, and kj cube. Now you see that now you keep k equal to 1, then what is the k equal to 1, what is the value for k equal to 1? Here you have two links. Okay, so k equal to 1 and 2, and joints are 2, so 2 by 2 order equation will be there. Okay, clear? So you keep 1 here. So first this is sigma of that. So when you keep k equal to 1, you will get del q 1 d I d1 and j q minus 1/2 del upon del q 1 d1 j q. Okay, for k equal to 2, you will get del upon del q 2 d1 this is d1j cube minus 1/2 del upon del q 1 d2j cube. Okay, clear? Up when you have this you have elements d11 d12 11 d12 d21 and d22 in this equation. Okay, this is d11, this is d12, this is d21 and this is d22. Okay, clear? स्टूडेंट से क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Now slowly here you have kept k equal to 1 and k equal to 2. Now you change j equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Then for this equation you have two different values, and for this equation you have two different values. Okay, clear? When you keep here j equal to 1, then you will get d11 and here q1, here q1 d11 you will get, and then you keep j equal to 2, you will here get here d12, here d12. Okay, now this is del q2 and here del d11 and here d21. Second time you keep here j equal to 2, then d12 and d22. Okay, so you have four different values of the matrix C1. That is, I am showing you. You note here. This is the value. Okay. So इसको आप नोट कर लीजिए. J is varying 1 to 2 and K is varying 1 to 2. Okay. कैलकुलेट कीजिए, नोट कीजिए इसे, because this is not given in the book. Directly in the book you get this equation. It looks very simple that there is nothing in this, but when you start doing from where it has come, then you are confused about that. Simply the equation is also not given at the same location. This equation is given at very back side. So from here it is calculating. Once you have calculated the d cube and you have 2 by 2 order matrix, then you have d11, d12, d22 and d21. Okay, all these 4 elements. Then from using that elements you are determining the equation for C1. Okay, so from here you get what you get the matrix for C1 cube. You get here del upon del q1 d11 cube minus 1 upon 2. This equation you have to remember in your mind during the exam and any time. This equation you have to remember. Okay, when you take the dij, then the downside the variable should be dqk, and when you have the k cube kj, then the variable should be qi. Okay, and you are calculating for individual any link. Okay, so this is for first link. Okay, and you are getting the effect of the both the variables 1 and 2. Okay, so what you will get here, this is d11 cube. Okay, and del upon del q1 d12 cube minus 1 upon 2 del q1 d12 cube. Now you have to check whether the equation given in the book, that is this equation, is correct or not. You calculate using this equation. Okay, इस इक्वेशन से आप कैलकुलेट कीजिए यूजिंग द d11 and all the variables from the d cube, and you verify whether it is correct or not. तो आप करिए, स्टार्ट कीजिए. I am writing here the equation del upon del q2 d11 cube minus 1 upon 2 del q1 d21 cube. Here fourth element is d12 cube minus 1 upon 2 del upon del q1 d22 cube. Clear? So it is the 2 by 2 matrix C1 where I equal to 1. Okay, K varies from 1 to 2 and J varies from 1 to 2. Okay, and the equation, generalized equation, is this. Okay, so all the students please verify and step by step show me how you have calculated this final value of C1. Okay, चलिए करिए आप लोग, स्टार्ट गोइंग. स्टूडेंट समझ में आ रहा ना ये क्या किया है? बदावत श्रीकांत, आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
Sir,
यस,
sir, I have joined lately, sir.
you have joined late.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. You have joined late, but now you are looking here two slides. One slide where I have calculated in the previous lectures. You have not done the problem. I had asked you to do that. You have to determine the dq. Suppose that dq has now been calculated as this equation, okay, based on the these transformations, okay. So you write down this matrix dq, and you have four elements d11, d12, d21 and d22, okay. All of you note it.
Yes, sir.
सभी लोग इसको नोट करो भाई। अब निकाले तो हो नहीं तुम लोग, पिछली बार की तरह हमने बोला कि इसको सब एक एक करके निकालो, है ना?
हो गया था सर इतना।
हो गया। तो चलो एक स्टूडेंट ने तो कम से कम इज्जत बचा ली पूरे क्लास की, नहीं तो तुम लोग कुछ करते नहीं हो। ठीक है, तो अब you have to note this, and after that you calculate by this equation the value of C1. डायरेक्ट रख दोगे तो समझ में अलग आ जाएगा। तो इसे नोट कर लीजिए और इसको फाइंड आउट करिए। जब तक ये पूरा नहीं करोगे ढंग से तब तक हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे इसमें, ओके। क्योंकि वैसे भी सिलेबस हमारा बहुत लगभग हो चुका है, 1 यूनिट लगभग बचा है। हालांकि इसमें अभी बहुत है, इन्वर्स डायनेमिक्स है कि नहीं देखना पड़ेगा। रॉबर्ट शिलिंग की पूरी बुक लगभग कंप्लीट हो गई है, 235 पेजेस तक लगभग पूरी बुक हो गई है रॉबर्ट शिलिंग की, और दूसरी बुक तो हुई ही थी सब। ओके, आई थिंक आप लोगों ने काफ़ी स्टडी कर लिया है, लेकिन अब ये मत कह देना सर आने की तो जरूरत नहीं है क्लास में। पहले डायनेमिक्स आएगी तब तो इन्वर्स डायनेमिक्स आएगी। कोटेश्वर राव, if you don't get the point and you cannot understand the things, please you can repeat, you can ask me. कर रहे हो ना कुछ तुम लोग कि बस हो गया, सर ने दे दिया प्रॉब्लम और सब आप शांत बैठेंगे? स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू डूइंग?
Yes, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है, एक स्टूडेंट की आवाज थोड़ी सी आई है। So you have noted it, this page. I now move to the next page. Students,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, here q1 is theta 1, q2 is theta 2, and d11 is the function of cos theta, sin theta, and all the terms. So you will differentiate that terms. Okay, निकाल के दिखाओ भाई। आज हमेशा मैं ही तुम लोगों को कैलकुलेट कर करके दिखाता हूँ, आज तुम लोग कैलकुलेट करके दिखाओ। तुम लोग अगर रटोगे ना कि ये प्रॉब्लम हम लोग रट लेते हैं तो फिर कुछ नहीं हो सकता। इसको समझो कि ये क्यों आया, और हम तो एक एक स्टेप आपको बता भी रहे हैं। ओके, सो यू फॉलो ऑल दैट स्टेप्स आई एम टेलिंग यू इन दिस पीपीटी। What I am telling, there is no any step which has been skipped.
Excuse me, sir. सर मैंने सेंड किया, आप चेक कर लीजिए।
सुरुचि, first equation is not correct. Okay, first equation you have written in the top is not the right equation. This is I think some mistake has happened to during writing to you, and this from second equation it is correct. Del upon del q k I j. q minus 1 upon 2 del upon del q I kj q. Okay, k equal to 1 and k equal to 2, you will calculate this, and then you calculate j equal to 1, k equal to 1, and all the elements you get one by one. Minus fourth element is minus m2 a2 a1 a2 by 2. Okay, minus 1 upon 2, that will be okay, minus 1, and 2 1, this is okay, minus 2 आएगा उसमें, और remaining items will be 0 0 and 0. Suruchi, it is correct. So Suruchi has done correct solution of this equation. And so what is the next step? Next step is to calculate this HIQ. So you have to calculate H1 for link 1. Okay. So what here you are doing, GK, this is the simplified equation, GK MJ AJKI. Okay, so here you have the gravity. I will show you how it is going on. Simply the link 1 is here. Suppose this is joint here, and this is Z. Okay, and this is x, and this is y direction. As in the figure you have seen earlier, in the figure the link is in y direction, and the z direction is in the axis of the joint. Okay, so the gravity vector g is that in the direction of opposite to the direction of link. Positive direction of y is above the origin, but the gravity is negative, so y component is minus gc, and x component is 0, and z component is also 0. Okay, so the gravity vector is 0. This is also called the gk. Okay, so for k equal to 1, this value, for k equal to 2, this value, for k equal to 3, this value. So k is varying from 1 to 3 in this equation. Okay, so h I q equal to minus sigma k equal to 1 to 3. Okay, sigma j equal to 1 to number of links. Okay, number of joints. Clear? So gk mj aki and jq. Now here you see, you put k equal to 1, k equal to 2, and k equal to 3. Then what are the equations here? Minus g1 mj a1j j. Okay, minus g2 mj a2j jq. Okay, minus g3 mj a3j 3q. oh sorry jq. ठीक है, this is correct. Okay, students, can you understand here? Now you see that G1 and G3 terms are 0 because here G1 and G3 terms are 0. So here you will keep only the
1i होगा ना
hmm?
सर, ये mj के बाद a1i होगा ना नीचे फिर ऊपर.
Okay. Okay. So here you are calculating for I equal to 1. Okay. So H1 you will get H1 equal to mj. Here this G1 and G3 term is 0. So only you have this term. Okay. So what is the equation? A 2I cube j, I equal to 1. So what is value? Q. Okay. So G2 is minus GC. Here G2 is minus GC. सीधा दिख रहा है क्या? एक मिनट में देख लो कंप्यूटर में. So G2 is minus GC. So you are here you will get GC M J AJ 21 Q. Okay. Clear? Now you keep j equal to 1, then you will get GC into M1 A1 21 Q. Okay, and here j equal to 2, you will get GC M2, then total H1 cube equal to GC M1 A 211 plus M2 A 212 cube. Okay, now you have two terms here. Here A21, this is 1 and 2. Okay, so j equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Clear? So from here you calculate the A1 and 2, A21, which is this element. You have J1, you have Jacobian 1 and Jacobian 2 calculated, and here in Jacobian 2 you have A11, A12, A21, A22, okay, A31, A32. इतने एलिमेंट्स होंगे B11, B12, B121, B22, B31, B32. Any Jacobian is represented by this equation. Okay, पिछले जितने इक्वेशन है I have determined the Jacobian J1 and J2. You have how many? क्लियर कंसंट्रेट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ये? Okay, so in J2 this is 1. Okay, because this is for Jacobian 1. Now for Jacobian 2 you have A112, A122, A212, A222, A312, A322. You have this value and you have this value. From here you get the A211 and from here you get A21 2. Okay, clear students? Is it clear? So now I will show you what is the value of J1 A211 and A212 in the slide. So here clear screen दिख रही है क्या? Here
Yes,
you
sir.
have A212. What is the value of A212? A1 C1 plus A2 C12 by 2. Is it clear? Any student clear about this?
Yes, sir.
And what is the value of A211? In A211 you have this value, I tell you. A1 C1 by 2. Clear? So you have A21 A211 equal to A1 C1 by 2 and A21 2 equal to you have A1 C1 plus A2 C12 by 2. Clear? इतना है. Now what was the equation? H1Q equal to GC into M1 A211 plus M2 A212 equal to, now you write here M1 A1 C1 by 2 plus M2 A1 C1 plus A2 C12 by 2. Clear है? Is it clear now? So here you get this equation. Is this same or not? Students, is this equation same as
Yes.
I have derived here or not?
Yes, sir.
Same है ना? So this is the process for calculating the H1. Okay. Similarly, you will calculate the value of C1, C2. You calculate the C2. How you will calculate C2? Now it's on you. At least you derive the simple generic equation for that. This is for today. You calculate only generic equation for C here as this is generalized equation. From here you calculate you derive the equation for C2. Can you do this? Students, C2 के लिए निकालिए इस इक्वेशन को. Derive the same equation for C2 like this. कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग? C2 निकाल रहे हैं ना? निकालिए। जो प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा ना तो वो गया। इसमें हमने देखा कि एक स्टूडेंट है जो रेगुलर ऑन टाइम चीजें करती रहती है, सुरुचि। और ऐसे और कितने स्टूडेंट हैं जो क्लेम करना चाहते हैं सर मैं भी हूँ, सर मैं भी एक्टिव हूँ। अगर एक्टिव हो तो बता दो भाई, नहीं तो तुम लोग का नाम नहीं आएगा। ये 30 कर रहे हो कि नहीं? प्रिया साहू
यस सर।
निकाल रही हो ना C2?
यस सर।
अब तुम्हारा नंबर है, तुम इसमें भेजो स्नैपशॉट वो करके सॉल्यूशन। स्मिता और कौन? बदावा श्रीकांत कोटेश्वर राव, you send snapshot after doing the analysis for C2. C2 और H2 निकालो। You have also to calculate the H2. Because I have told you how to derive the equation and how to analyze using the previous informations from the Jacobians. You can determine the H2 and the information from D you can derive the C2. क्लियर है? तो बस ये कैलकुलेट कर लोगे तो दिस प्रॉब्लम इज लास्ट, मीन्स दिस प्रॉब्लम इज कंप्लीट। तो चलो इसको नेक्स्ट में कैलकुलेट करना, ठीक है आप लोग? ओके क्या यार बाकी लोग कुछ रिस्पांस नहीं दे रहे हो यार? नो आंसर, नो डिस्कशन, नो इंटरेक्शन। क्या इतना करने में बिजी हो गए हो? लगता है तुम लोग कर ही रहे हो, लगता है हमको तो ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि कर ही रहे हो सॉल्यूशन, पर वास्तव में कर नहीं रहे होगे। बदावत
Sir,
यस
I'm trying, sir.
यस कीप ट्राइंग।
Yes, sir.
अंकित आर यू कीपिंग ट्राइंग?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अश्विनी
यस सर।
कर रहे हो ना? नींद तो नहीं आ गई, सो तो नहीं गए उधर? अश्विनी
कर रहे हैं सर, कर रहे हैं।
धीरज
Yes, sir.
हम्म जयिता,
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
नंदलाल,
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
लग तो रहा है कि कर ही रहे हो तुम लोग। मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि बन जाएगा, क्यों नंदलाल?
Yes, sir. बन जाएगा सर।
लेकिन वो इक्वेशन जो है ना आई जे वाला, वो भूला तो सब गया, उसको रटना पड़ेगा, मतलब उसको तुम लोगों को दिमाग में बैठाना पड़ेगा।
रट
उसमें
लेंगे सर।
when you have the variable qk, then there will be dij, and then when there is a variable qi, then there is the term dkj. Okay, and
Yes.
by this way you can remember this thing. Okay, so I think time is now completed for this lecture, and later on the things will be discussed in next lecture, because the still lots of lectures timings are available for us, and the syllabus is up to the mark, so we need not giving too much time in a single one day. Okay, so students,